Hello to all the wonderful humans. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and welcome. I am Aboli and I make science-based skincare and hair care videos. In this video, I am going to review products from Bioderma. It's the 4 products that you can see on the shelf behind, and let's start. I'm going to start by discussing the micellar waters. Now, I always thought that Bioderma only has this one, which is their normal Sensi Bio micellar water. It's specifically written that it's their Sebium range, and I think the Sebium range is made for oily skin. This is the demo for the micellar water. As you can see, it does remove the makeup, but it is gentler than their pink micellar water. So this one you can use at night for daily use if you want to, remove sunscreen. This one is also suitable for sensitive skin types according to their website. Both of these micellar waters can be used on acne-prone skin. It definitely remove grime and makeup without irritating your skin. I haven't had any reaction with these 2 products, and that is great. But remember, micellar water is a cleanser because it has those tiny micelles in it. So do not use micellar waters after you have already used your cleanser. The Bioderma Sebium micellar water costs $7.50 for 100 ml. This micellar water is made up of 20% of oil and 80% of water, whereas the pink one, the Sensi Bio micellar water, is made up of 100% water. So this one will be more moisturizing during the process of cleansing. This particular micellar water, the Sebium one, has zinc, gluconate and copper sulphate. Now these ingredients are really good to control your sebum production and will be very helpful for people with acne prone skin. Both of the micellar waters have DAF patents. Now DAF patents is exclusive to Bioderma. The formulation helps to strengthen your skin and are really barrier friendly and are suitable for all skin types. However, this product has fragrance in it, but because it's a wash off product, it is not a big issue. Now let's talk about the Sebium gel moussant. Oh my god, this was a recommendation that you guys have given me. I made a video on, I think, 14 cleansers or something long back, and so many of you all put it down in the comment section that try the Bioderma Sebium gel moussant, and as you can see, half's already done because I love this. Now they claim that this reduces oil production, that is sebum production on your skin, and this is something that I have noticed, that in the mornings when I use this, my skin is a little less greasier and oilier. Now this is the demo. As you can see, it is a gel based cleanser, and when you put it on your skin, it does not foam a lot, but it does clean your face. As you can see right now, my face is cleansed. It does remove the layer of oil, but it does not leave your skin dry. As you can see, my skin is still bouncy and I don't have the stretchy feeling. The Sebium gel moussant costs $3.75 for 45 ml. It has mild surfactants like sodium cocoam acetate. It also has sodium lauryl sulphate, but it is not drying on the skin. It has other moisturizers and humectants like the micellar water, mannitol, xylitol, etc. It also has zinc, and we know zinc works great for acne prone skin, and this also has fragrance, but because it's a wash off product, it's fine. Yes, this is going to be one of my top cleansers that I'm going to keep repurchasing all my life. Sebium Hydra from Bioderma, and this is specifically for oily skin type. So this is the demo. As you can see, it is a white cream. It is almost like an aqua gel if you have used. Now aqua gels usually have like a blend of emollients and hydrators. That is why you get this white cream, but it is also quite light. When I put it on my skin, I can see that it quickly gets absorbed on my skin and it does not leave my skin heavy at all. I use a very little quantity in the morning, and the quantity I'm using right now is for the morning. At night I use double the quantity. Like this particular Sebium Hydra actually was made for oily skin types to counteract the actions of sebum. Now the main cause of acne is oxidation of sebum for oily acne prone skin. So what this product does is that it counteracts and breaks down the sebum before it goes into the oxidation state and before it thickens on your skin. That's how it works. It also works on giving proper moisturization for your skin so that your skin does not have to be hyperactive and produce more sebum. Also, this moisturizer has kept in mind that people with acne prone skin like mine, we use a lot of drying ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, isotretinoin, or even salicylic acid. So in that situations, you would need something that moisturizes your skin back and that would reduce the transepidermal moisture loss. So you need a little bit of occlusives as well. So this does have a set of occlusives with hydrators and their patented products as well to counteract the sebum. So if you have the budget to buy this product, it's a great moisturizer. Now this one is going to last me for a while because as you have seen, I use very little product. So this can be my guilty purchase that I can buy after a few months. The Sebium Hydra costs 1135 40 ml. Yes, it is on the higher range. But apart from the humectants and the moisturizers, it also has tocopherol acid, that is vitamin E, and it also has ceramide 3 and allantoin. But this product also has fragrance in it. It is not overpowering, but it definitely has fragrance. Let's talk about the Purifying. According to Bioderma, this product reduces skin texture and also reduces the appearance of pores. And this product has salicylic acid and other humectants and moisturizers which help your skin to remain moisturized. And salicylic acid, as we know, can clean out your pores. However, the size of your pores will not change. What will happen is it will clean out your pores and the appearance of pores will reduce, and it also can reduce your skin texture. As you can see, it is a very light cream. It is not heavy on your skin and gets absorbed quickly, and my experience with this as a moisturizer has been good. So yeah, this was my review of Bioderma for the products that are made for oily skin, and until next time, bye.